Hello guys, in this video with the help of the application we are going to solve the Rubik's Cube easily without knowing how to solve the Rubik's Cube. So let's go. First you need to download the Solver Cube application, then enter the application and select the 3x3 Rubik's Cube option. Select the solve option. After that you will enter a new page, and here you need to enter the colors of the Rubik's Cube in order. And then you have to select the solve option and follow the same movements of the application to solve your Rubik. This is how easily your cube is solved. Be sure to subscribe to the channel to see more videos, and until the next video, goodbye.